Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML in Wix for Google AdSense. This is a fantastic way to monetize your website by displaying ads that can generate revenue from your site traffic. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your browser and type in adsense.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Google AdSense account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that's associated with your AdSense program, as this is where all your ad codes and earnings data are stored. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. From there, click on Ads. This section is where you'll find all the tools and codes needed to create and manage the advertisements you want to display on your website. Now, within the Ads section, you should see an option that says Copy AdSense Code. This is the crucial piece of code that tells Google where and how to display ads on your site. Click on it to reveal the full code snippet that you'll need for the next steps. Once the code appears, you'll notice a button nearby that says Copy. Click this button to copy the entire AdSense code to your clipboard. This code is what bridges your Wix website with Google's ad network, so make sure it's fully copied before moving on. Now switch over to your Wix project. If you haven't already opened your Wix editor, do so now and make sure you're working on the page where you want the ad to appear. This could be your homepage, a blog post, or any other page you think would benefit from displaying ads. In the Wix editor, look for the Add button, usually located on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type Embed. This will filter the options and help you find the right element quickly. From the search results, click on Embed Code. This is the element that allows you to insert custom HTML, which is exactly what we need for adding the Google AdSense code to your site. Once you've added the embed code element to your page, double-click on it. This action will open up a settings panel where you'll see a field designated for pasting your code. Go ahead and paste the AdSense code you copied earlier directly into this field. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any missing characters. After pasting the code, click Apply to save your changes. The embed code element will now process the AdSense script, and your ad should start displaying on your Wix site once everything is live. Keep in mind that it might take a few moments for the ads to appear depending on Google's processing time. And that's it. You've successfully added custom HTML in Wix for Google AdSense, and your website is now set up to display ads that can help you generate income. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.